The incredible biodiversity of forest ecosystems. Forests are one of the most biodiverse ecosystems on Earth. From the towering trees to the tiniest insects, biodiversity within a forest is essential for maintaining balance, health, and life. What is biodiversity? Biodiversity refers to the variety of life in a particular habitat. In forests, this includes everything from towering oak trees, moss-covered forest floors, to animals like deer, birds, and even unseen bacteria in the soil. Importance of biodiversity in forests. A stream flowing through a forest. Animals like deer, birds, and insects interacting with the environment. Time-lapse of plant growth, showing a seed sprouting into a small plant. Every species plays a role in the ecosystem, contributing to processes like pollination, seed dispersal, and decomposition. This balance ensures the survival of the forest and the species that live within it. Without biodiversity, forests lose their ability to recover from disturbances like storms, fires, and human activities. Focus on specific species found in each layer, for example, squirrels in the canopy, ferns in the understory, mushrooms on the forest floor. Forests are made up of several layers, each hosting different species. The canopy is home to many birds and insects. Below that, the understory provides shelter for small mammals and shrubs, while the forest floor is teeming with fungi, insects, and decomposing matter that nurtures the soil. Threats to forest biodiversity. Footage of deforestation, forest fires, and invasive species, damaging ecosystems of declining animal populations. Despite their resilience, forests are facing numerous threats. Deforestation, pollution, and climate change are disrupting these ecosystems, reducing biodiversity and affecting not only wildlife but also the humans who rely on forests for resources like clean air and water. How we can protect forest biodiversity. People planting trees, protecting habitats, and engaging in forest conservation efforts. Eco-friendly practices like sustainable forestry, ecotourism, and wildlife protection programs. It's crucial to protect forest biodiversity through conservation efforts. By planting trees, protecting habitats, and supporting sustainable practices, we can help restore and maintain these ecosystems for future generations. Forests are vital to life on Earth, and protecting their biodiversity is essential for a healthy planet. Join the movement, support forest conservation, and let's ensure the survival of these beautiful ecosystems. Subscribe for more videos on the wonders of our natural world. Learn more about biodiversity and how you can make a difference. This script plan will result in an educational and visually appealing YouTube video that inspires viewers to appreciate and protect biodiversity in forests.